Welcome to the channel. Let's solve this operation. 12 divided by 3 times 2 plus 2. Where do I start? First, we will do a procedure called PEMDAS, which is P for parentheses, right? That's the first operation we will look for. E is for exponents, which we will also check if there are any. And then comes in this, which would be in third place multiplication, in division, and A and S are also in fourth place sequence in the operation. First thing, are there parentheses? There are parentheses, right? All right. So first, what are we going to do? Solve the parentheses, right? So let's go. 12 divided by 3. Here there's a times, right? Times do the multiplier. 2 plus 2, which equals 4. Great. We've already solved the parentheses. There's no exponential, but there is multiplication and division. And now, which one do I do first? Division or multiplication? Yes, in fact, the sequence is from left to right, following this logic here. When they have the same, let's say, importance, you go from left to right. So first we are going to do the division, okay? 12 divided by 3 will give 4. 4 times 4 will equal 16. This is the correct answer. Leave a like, a spap, a G-ship, RDD, and subscribe to the channel.